Hello everyone and welcome back again with a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can integrate Zoho with Webflow. So this page is currently in Zoho's page, so this shows you exactly what you can do, and this is all the triggers and actions that you will be able to do using this application or this integration. So you would be able to create triggers like order created, form submitted, and collection item created, new user, updated module entry, a new module, new lead, user created or updated. And here we have the actions like create product, create item, create live item, and so go on. You can read it by yourself and understand it. So what can we do to actually do this integration? Well, you can click here to try it now for free, or you can simply go back to your dashboard in Webflow, click on in the marketplace, click on apps and choose Zapier. So here we go. I'm going to choose it. I'm writing it down here. Select this one and then click on install application. Now, once you install the application, you would need to log into your account in Zapier. Very easy to create: email, password, name, and that's it. So once you create it, click in here and then this dashboard or workspace will be created for you. Let me just rename it to be Zoho Crm. And now what you will need to do is to do the integration. So click here. We have already Webflow selected, which is great. We have the account already created and connected, which is perfect. Now click on this plus button, click in here and search for Zoho CRM. As you can see, of course, there is more than Zoho CRM. If you write down only Zoho, you can find Zoho Forms, Mail, Books, everything. Every Zoho site company is here. So it's all up to you to choose exactly what you are looking for. But in generally, we are going to go with CRM, which has everything. So here you can choose the trigger event, which we have talked about earlier, and here the action events, which we already talked about. So you can actually also do some actions or custom actions using AI, but that's not what we are going to talk about in this video. So once you have done everything in here, simply just click on publish and there you go. So that was it for today's video guys. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.